Discord is giving away free Nitro to everyone. Yes, you heard that right, and I will tell you everything about it. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Alright, so one of my friends have received a free Discord Nitro, and I've heard that a couple others got that too. So if you haven't had Nitro for the past 12 months or more, I am sure even you'd get the 1 month free Nitro. Now you might be wondering why? Well, because Discord has launched these new SpongeBob decorations today and they cost almost $13. Honestly, I don't think they would expect anybody in their right mind to buy such expensive decorations. But if you're a Nitro user, the price goes down to almost $10, which is still pretty expensive. Whether people want to buy these or not, I don't care really. I am just happy that we will be getting free Discord Nitro. Now please don't say things like, I didn't get the Nitro, I don't know who will get it. It's up to Discord. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.